Find or read reviews that people are talking about Yeahitch Mini Projector. Because this product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Small and portable. The mini video projector is small and portable, and can be carried in a pocket or bag. Even children can easily hold it. Whether at home or in outdoor courtyards, travel, camping, or other places, you can enjoy movies, videos, and games. Improved performance. Supports 1080p Full HD. The natural resolution has been increased to 1920 x 1080. Improve the brightness and color saturation of projected images to make them clearer and more comfortable, preferably in a dark room. Multiple interfaces. The small projector is equipped with multiple ports, including HDMI, USB, audio, and other interfaces. It can easily connect to multiple multimedia devices, such as TV boxes, laptops, desktops, digital cameras, devices that support HDMI playback of videos, TV dramas, photo sharing, and games. Cinema-level display technology is adopted, light effect, image quality and color are more natural, the excellent contrast is doubled, which enriches the sense of image hierarchy and opens the movie screen experience the shock of immersive viewing. The projector is powered by a 5V, 2A portable or wall charger and has no built-in battery. So you can take it wherever you go for a trip or camping trip without worrying about the length of the power cord or the lack of socket. Different from ordinary LED projector, LT uses diffuse imaging principle. Projection light enters the human eye through diffuse reflection, which is not easy to cause eye fatigue and protects the eyesight of users. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. Before end this video, don't forget to press subscribe, press like button and share this video with your friends, and get instant notifications of all future uploads.